Mutia so mutia na kitikiti no. Mutia na kese. Yet me there no money.
Abans mami.
Ah, e trophy afia mu beja itua munya itua. Mutia ni go yi praku ne.
Obi akoda prison sake of.
That's it. Sandy.
Yeah.
Sister Sandy be a guy.
Oh yeah, that's me.
So mutua to mutua no preku na. What you say? You find your mind here. Yeah, yo.
Mutua to no dodo. Why am I saying for around
the fact is that if your salary is fat,
you have
tax out your own fat. What you say? Your salary no extra e to abetua susa.
What you say? To no na abanya jeje. So why me to susa.
You know, as a passer by it's the this is home, right? As here, it's BBN now. Banana bonk more crack there, and like you rightly said, work hard. Why? Now you tawechi, you be piano. I'm a talent no. It's me akwenim. Why? Yeah, that's it. Now I'm out for person who follow social media handles. Net to send
on Facebook on Facebook you're Rati Ghana, Twitter, Instagram ning na you're Rati Ghana, RATTY Ghana. And I'm out for person almost free for any gig and I say interview and I say BBA number no 0206 987 617 0206 987 617 0206 987 617.
Okay. All right, I say Rati Ghana.
Oh, Nika no. Match pass.
I was saying, Bassa Siana, your sister Sandy be a guy at Trust na the Fila amount.
It's tasty and delicious. I am about the pizza every day and every night. I was about the pizza. It's hot.
For the tastiest pizzas, come to Papa's Pizza. We serve it hot from the oven, just how you want it and anytime you want it. Enjoy quick, tasty pizzas served at the customer's convenience. We deliver and offer in-car services too. Papa's Pizza. Taste it, love it.
Pizza.
Papa's Pizza. Taste it, love it.
Shese tasa waton me site ho nyina a start papa ye woto tile fix cement ya anka wo nyina ma me pese me service kakra so de project nso en ye total fix cement papa ne bo nso ofom se wo de totals ya e ya febo bag ba ko e 50 kilograms ai they are certified by Ghana Standards Authority woto nso a free transport akwa Accra anatema be bia enti more savings tile fix cement yi na nya bi o he tile fix cement enena titru shops here wakantaman to nyina Accra dodua Fred Tylon Ghana Company Limited 0244 421 635 and 0548 807720 Tile Fix quality for less.
Hello Ghana for Mac Brown yo. Say dear, ya from me Mama Roma. If we say me the Roma insecticide spray and mosquito coil and a bomb home by Kano Crow and Tontuma Drobe brain na wasashe. Ebe you also bekum Nanso a jauti area. Every so dear and kumu kra. Esa jankabone wo dem. Nanso Roma insecticide spray dear. Emrun tuntum no. E kuntuntum ne tefra ne mwa kete sharp. Na say jankapa wo dem. Na Roma mosquito coil ne dear. Emma maniji keke. Wosa empro ne kuntuntum no one time. Na ma wo dem wa ye sham. Enti se me na mabusia dem ma de chia. Ye ne kata ni tiare bia ni asem. Say dear se water insecticide spray and mosquito coil. Bisa Roma insecticide spray and mosquito coil. And tuntum master. Kayo se wo spray free 15 minutes.
This advertisement has been vetted and approved by FDA.
Akwantu eda ye nim ye ni gie nko a nanso obia wone kwan a wo befa so enti sa wo fa wo kwan a na wo hwehwe ne a wo gi ne die na wo ne nante oyonko a wo de ose ye oyo a wo beta wachi aboa wo ne wo be yi nyinaa mu Emfa ho ni nipa wo ye ne bia waduru abrabo akwantuo mu. Wo ne ekwan a wonam so nyina ho hia pa. Consolidated Bank Ghana eni nkum sikasem ho bambo ho te se wa. Yemudie ye ba akopɛ. Enu nti na ye odonko ho hia wo sikasem mu na ya tawa chipintin. Sisi ye bank kɛseɛ pa wo Ghana ha na ye krado se ye no be hia bomu. CBG ye taiwachi.
Mase ukwasiada ebe ya ode na ube feel it trabia mercy na side attraction no ebe sen rewra dia na no ye edidie with Pokia 101 live on Adom 106.3 FM kwasiada eni kwasere bia
shaye ewo kofodua sema kede dansuman sakaman dakuman ashaman konyako daddy papa say hohoi baby bia wo bia aduane bia wo ye wo bia wo de shaye anase hweye ni ye beba ho ye ni wo abebe didi wo jubedie wo amaso ya sna ye de brewo Amalina Children's Heaven, your one-stop shop kiddie more. Quick Pharma Limited, Bella Ointment, almost Jiba, Crodoso, Pimples, Hunamani Arabia, Bella Betu Asiakra, Amao, Royal Organic Clinic, Organic Hills Limited, Jumekwa Muya Green Food Supplements. Sa Opese Bawa Soya Bedi Jumedi Biwaha, Frame, 0544 113131, 0544 113131.
And to share no OPD OPB
enemy. Pokia 101 Papa Adom
106.3 FM.
Shane so say no me no kopim no me sa. Na ebeya gomze. Edidie. This
1759 celebrates 1957. Cheers.
Say na me see it.
Mom, mess me a call.
Man, but your many data now.
Eti Mrs. Sako Vodafone One family. About the broadband, landline, mobile, SMS, any data I did DHMD.
Vodafone One family. Where ye can cry, ye di enkotamudie anu ye ebrewo. And fahuni ekuo ana ebusuna womu. Ya yene se ebeso wo bottom any wo biaso. Mobile devices and 9. Ewo ho akonya se wo benya broadband, landline, mobile minutes, SMS, any data. Afenso wo broadband data wubenyano wubetumi ne numbers and 9 ate a wubetumi dia browser e wo bebia fa woni tire your retail shop bia ebenwo anase call fbb.vodafone.com.gh na fa wo di ye hihye mu ehihye kakra da ho.
The future is exciting. Ready?
Mothers of Africa.
Mommy, my day in your holiday.
And what's the Ufa Geisha Semina Subain? Gina Hopinti na kowenim. Mempaba. Cause the one sabeka we need a swadi nina.
Matamame, Megina painting a comenim. Na machapa to say Geisha Semina.
Be strong and
Sankratway FD Ajiatu.
Adom FM 106.3, Ghana's most authentic radio station. Near top.
Yep. Right.
1 2.
Yanko animu. Sister Sandy be a guy.
My brother not for Moduku Amabunti. I didn't cry.
I'm out.
How you doing, man?
I'm good, baby.
I'm just coming from hate, so I feel like I'm in the pep mood, you know. Yeah, it's all good. It's Friday.
Yeah, man.
But the Ratty Bay medical assistant. Not medical can be Biana. Mommy MBA Mike him. Mon friend medical. Ratty me medical. It's also na say vegan president na bano. Na medical say me and I'm na say Jote point. What sa called the trumpet in you mean? Nipa ba ko pen na medical. E medano so mama kan nyina. Wanya she. Nipa ba ko pe. Ante me free me modin but nipa ba ko pen na medical me medano so. Wo ye ka o master na. O yo bia ye ka like obi o ka poem. True rap music e yo master. Odi kan onu kwa meka sai. E fa on to sa akwa the red rock stone or bra for kwa the menko ho. Pa dogo ne okra tom David mo ne yi kwa kesemo start no. Na medical uni ho no. Na wo say hammer of last two cracker so you open audition anke emfa wo. medical no. It's say pe kwan bi trend find another way, babes. But you don't really have to come do this to Ghanaians.
Yeah.
Ya ninja sa nyama no obi anka say medical enya ade or ya ade or you very good. But Mr. No disrespect to the seniors in the game.
Sure.
Honestly speaking, once a V rapper anya 4 years ago kana minimudin. My fancy how. Nene na mi who says ayi to 6 million saying as how.
I'm supposed to
when I'm free, so consent me when I'm free. Say 6 million you. Hey,
6 million
lead you. And you can 6 million.
6 million. 6 million.
Abraje we get no kwa. One ananka blade food. Hey, blade food. Till now, Jerry, I know say I can't say. Blade food. I'm saying no blade food.
No, bloody food.
Okay. Monday, me that say Sanya mani na ne aba keka bu.
Na so
there here.
Gang leader.
Eh, gang leader
sa na.
Then gang leader. Any gang leader.
Na unim atudu.
Atudu.
Oh, Edro. Adom can out say Atwood
hey to free want me can why am na be term na ho twen enchi me yeah what say Adom ni team akwa see toilets back 10 e wo wini ba local brand brother wo siri obi esi toilet
oh my god
10 nya back nya mienu 10
toilet facility
e wo yi wini ba prison na msna na Adom an ko ni
no is it 10-seater toilet and I say different
facilities 10
and
meaning some say bia afford your money and I meaning some say afford your money yere wo hu wan go si woni kroma wini ban ba bibia ni wayade bona basupi na ye keka sa mo work bi ba so
27 July ye be call
work with Jerry ho
no Ofie Kwanso WhatsApp group for wa utie bia person join here
but mama mate for warning
na ya tiesi
mama mo warning in advance Jerry wo hui oyobi o train o man na de so me hwehwe ni mu me ho say woni ne be bibi enye competition yese be nante na team fifiri
ye nante ye nye
bibi to training to me mo woni se mo bia no medina de bia na
o de bia nye na say
wo di be si form na mama ne blade fu
na akra na se me na de gu form
one pay now where the amount for nye izo
omo expect
you be kan ho asem say ye shada dey tell mo first one say dey obi na twa fecha no mo ka say mo ye smart afi na dey real G no ba na patapairi ena mfoni bia mi huhu mehu oni patoranke mehu oni bisake de ena hwe mfoni na tete picture so enye say intimi say girl na do upper star sana
enti me say oron
o hwe ni team star la o timu say waron akone ade a asa traffic light na so ntino ma me won so na ye nkona ye si Jupiter so akoware abeku Santana enua baby secret mi onfoni o me na da
o me pon am frɛ na
secret na msna bray boni be na nke aye o anti wan frɛ nipa nua ni nipa on Jerry nya hwɛ na bibia ni arati age but na mani age because boy ni ade iti aha na me do be sie
ye da se na na jubo
alo fun iso afina ka benya o be hwe kwa
okay wait a brand new one from Abofo Concern.